Your keypad is capable of many powerful features, and it is important to understand its layout, including all of the icons and functions. The Graphic Touchscreen Keypad is laid out in an attractive and easy-to-use manner, and the most important aspect of the keypad is the interactive shield in the center of the display. This shield allows you to arm and disarm from the main screen and gives you an easy-to-understand graphic telling you the current status of your system. On the right side of the display is the carousel menu, which provides users with an easy-to-use scrollable menu. This is your main navigational menu, and it gives you quick access to the wide variety of menu options that the keypad has to offer. In addition to the scrolling feature of the carousel menu, your keypad also has up-down arrows that allow you to quickly navigate through the system. At the top of the keypad is a small light that is red when armed and blue when disarmed. Behind the light is a proximity card reader that allows you to quickly arm and disarm the system without having to stop and enter a code. One of the popular features of the Graphic Touchscreen Keypad is the weather display. High and low temperatures as well as weather conditions for today and tomorrow are clearly visible on the left side of the display. At the very top of the main screen there is a system status display that alternates between the date and time, arming status, and battery level. Other system status icons include a green check mark, which also indicates whether or not the system is ready to arm. A blue door icon means that the door chime is activated, and a yellow triangle that signifies the attention list. The attention list lets you know if there are any system issues. Your keypad is equipped with an easy-to-use touchscreen display that allows for quick navigation. At the bottom right of your keypad display, you will find the Command key. This key allows you to advance through the keypad displays, user menu, or to complete a data entry function. The back arrow, located to the immediate left of the Command key, is used to cycle back through the user menu, or to delete the last character entered into the keypad field. The keypad also uses keypad select areas in the keypad message display that allow you to navigate the menu options as well as making character selections. There are 4 distinct keypad select areas designated as areas 1 to 4 from left to right. Your keypad also features a small internal speaker that produces 6 special tones for specific events that occur on your system. The specific tones are fire, a sweeping intermittent siren, burglary, a continuous siren tone, pre-warn, a siren that sounds when you open an entry delay door, or pre-warn tone for re-entry, to alert you your system went into alarm while you were out, exit, a pulsing tone that continues until that system is armed, chime, a tone that sounds when a door or window is opened when the alarm is unarmed, and trouble, a steady tone indicating a problem with your keypad. Another helpful feature of the graphic keypad are the special keypad displays. These displays alert you to an event taking place with your alarm system. The different special displays are alarm, any type of burglary or fire alarm that requires a code to disarm it. Alarm not sent. The alarm signal was not sent to the central station because a user code was entered during the communication delay timer. Alarm cancelled. An alarm was sent to the central station, but was then cancelled by a user code. Alarm verified. An alarm was manually verified by the user. Enter code. Your code is required to silence an alarm, turning your system off, or completing system changes. The easy-to-use layout of the Graphic Touchscreen Keypad is the perfect companion to your security system